Hurricanes are powerful storms, causing significant damage. Knowing how to prepare for those storms can make the difference. Make a plan, discuss this with your family, include evacuation routes and meeting places. Assemble an emergency kit. Your kit should include essential items like water, non-perishable foods, medications, flashlights, batteries, and important documents. Prepare your home, secure your windows with shutters or plywood, bring in outdoor furniture, and ensure your vehicle gas tank is full. Stay informed, sign up for Alert DFB emergency alerts to receive real-time updates and critical information directly to your phone. Being prepared is the key. Stay safe and informed. Together, we can weather any storm.